Hey everyone, and welcome to How to Experts. In this video, I will show you how to add collaboration on Instagram post after posting. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. On Instagram, head on over to your business page. Once you already open your profile, the next step right now is to open your profile by tapping on the bottom right picture. Once you're here, create a new post for now. We'll use this as an example of a collaboration post. Now post it as is. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right. Once you are here, refresh your timeline or your feed. And then in here, wait for the post to come up. Once the post is there, tap on it, tap on the three dots this time. Then tap on Edit Info. In here, tap on Edit Info once again and then add Paid Partnership label. Turn it on. And then give it a check mark. And then in here, give it another check. And then as you can see here, it would say Paid Partnership. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.